Welcome to this video where we will be exploring one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe, black holes. Black holes are massive objects with a gravitational force so strong that not even light can escape. Black holes are fascinating because they allow us to explore the limits of our understanding of the universe. They challenge our understanding of gravity and the nature of space and time. In this video, we will explore what we know about black holes, how they were discovered, and what scientists are doing to learn more about them. A black hole is an object with a gravitational force so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. Black holes are formed when a massive star dies and collapses under the force of its own gravity. The point at which the gravitational force becomes so strong that nothing can escape is called the event horizon. Despite their fearsome reputation, black holes do not suck matter into them like a vacuum cleaner. Rather, matter spirals around a black hole in a process called accretion, which heats up the matter to incredibly high temperatures, emitting intense radiation in the process. When matter falls into a black hole, it forms an accretion disk, a disk of material that's heated to extremely high temperatures and emits radiation that we can observe. By studying the properties of this radiation, we can learn more about the black hole and its surroundings. Black holes are incredibly powerful objects. They can release huge amounts of energy through jets of material that shoot out from the accretion disk. These jets can travel for millions of light years and have a profound impact on the surrounding galaxy. The concept of black holes was first proposed in the early 20th century, but it wasn't until the 1960s that the first observational evidence for black holes was discovered. Scientists observed a region of space called Cygnus X1, which they believed was a black hole due to its strong X-ray emissions. Since then, numerous black holes have been discovered, including those at the centers of galaxies, which are believed to be millions or billions of times more massive than our Sun. Black holes have three important properties: mass, spin, and charge. The mass of a black hole determines the size of its event horizon and the strength of its gravitational force. The spin of a black hole determines its shape and the direction of its gravitational pull. The charge of a black hole affects how it interacts with other charged particles. As matter and energy fall into a black hole, they are accelerated to near the speed of light and compressed into a region of space called the singularity. The laws of physics as we know them break down at the singularity, making it a mystery to scientists. Black holes have a number of important effects on the universe. They can cause the disruption of nearby stars and galaxies, and they can also have a significant impact on the structure of the universe. In addition, black holes are believed to play an important role in the formation of galaxies. As matter falls into a black hole, it releases large amounts of energy in the form of radiation and jets, which can influence the surrounding gas and dust and trigger the formation of new stars. As technology and our understanding of the universe continue to evolve, scientists are developing new and more sophisticated methods for studying black holes. One such method is the use of gravitational wave detectors, which can detect the ripples in spacetime caused by the collision of two black holes. Recently, the detection of gravitational waves by the LIGO and Virgo collaborations has provided a new way to study black holes and other compact objects. These gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of spacetime caused by the motion of massive objects, such as black holes, and their detection has opened up a new window into the study of the universe's most enigmatic objects. When two black holes come close to each other, they can merge into a single, more massive black hole. This event releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime that were first detected in 2015. In addition, scientists are also exploring alternative theories of gravity, such as string theory, which may help us better understand the behavior of black holes. Black holes are one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe, and scientists are still searching for answers. Although we do not yet fully understand how they work, We do know that they play an important role in shaping the structure of the universe. The search for answers continues, and as our technology and understanding of the universe continue to evolve, we may one day uncover the secrets of these enigmatic objects. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Explorexia. We hope you enjoyed exploring the unknown with us. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel for new and exciting content.